If you're like most people looking for a consumer product, your research starts right here online. You search Google for gun safe for sale. Big box stores pop up with a flurry of products proclaiming to have the lowest price or free shipping. While we clearly have an online presence as well, we're also real people you can visit in person. Needless to say, we believe in buying a safe from a locally owned and operated company. In this video, we're going to share exactly why. While searching for the best gun safe for sale, you make it to an online retailer that only sells safes and think you're getting the best options available. The truth is, these companies are marketing safes they will never see or touch. You purchase a safe through their website and it's shipped directly to you from the manufacturer via a nationwide freight company. Two of the most popular places to buy a gun safe online are the Safe and Vault store and Gun Safes Now. When you purchase a safe through one of these websites, your order is processed by someone who has likely never seen your safe. But what happens when the safe is damaged and you have to send it back? Now you're stuck trying to figure out what to do with this damaged safe that you just purchased online. Although free shipping from an online retailer may seem to be less expensive, the potential cost for a damaged safe can be much higher. Hopefully, your safe was inspected at the factory and is in good condition, because it's in for a bumpy ride. Say your safe is built in California, but you live in Ohio. Your safe will more than likely be taken to a hub in, say, Oregon, and then it's going to go to Arizona, eventually making their way all the way to Ohio. It will likely be taken on and off a semi-truck a half a dozen times or so. This is going to increase the chance of it being damaged significantly. Freight companies, they save money by bundling packages together with other freight. We have nothing against truck drivers or warehouse workers. However, based on our experience of shipping and receiving tens of thousands of safes over the last 40 years, there are many cases in which these individuals do not have the ability to handle your safe with care, not to mention the equipment. Here's a picture of a safe that was delivered on its side from a freight company. Here's an example of a high-dollar, high-security safe that the carrier dropped on its face. We see this one all the time, multiple holes in the box. The safe shows up, we can immediately see that there's holes in the box, there's probably gonna be damage. Multiple cosmetic paint issues on the face of the safe from top to bottom. The damage ranged from dime-sized chips down to the bare metal. Scratches and gouges all throughout the paint, 2 to 3 inches long, and rub marks covering the whole entire hinge. We typically ship a full 53-foot truckload of safes from our manufacturers. Ordering a full truckload ensures the truck doesn't stop and remove your safe during the journey to our warehouse. This virtually eliminates the risk of significant damage to your safe. In addition, we inspect every single safe before it leaves our building. We have full-time employees dedicated to making sure your safe is in good condition. When we do ship a single safe out of our warehouse, the safe is inspected and our team takes the time to package your safe properly for its journey. This includes placing door foam to reduce rubs, adding corner protectors to cut down on strap marks, using double foam and boxes to further protect your safe and give your safe the best chance possible to show up in excellent condition. We handle safe moves and installations all throughout the Northwest, Washington, Oregon, Northern Idaho, and Montana. If you're in that region, we're committed to giving you the best service possible. The good news is, since 1988, we've been developing relationships with the best locally owned gun safe retailers nationwide. If you're looking to get a safe shipped nationally, give us a call. We can help you find the best solution in your area, or go ahead and check out our local dealer locator with the link below. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Appreciate it.